Hi everyone, and welcome to And So On. My name is Lisa, and today I'm going to show you my new studio. Okay, so I had no idea that moving was going to make me so exhausted and fall off my posting schedule. And I should have known, I suppose, because I moved so much, but for some reason this one really took it out of me. And so it's taken me a while to get back to you guys, and I do apologize for that. I do hope that you saw my community post in which I posted the winner of the giveaway. And I know I went on about you guys about coming back to see the next video and blah, blah, blah. And it was in the community post because I just couldn't. I'm so sorry. I hope you understand. The winner was Lynn, and I've already been in contact with her, and she already has her free pattern. So there is another giveaway coming up this week. So keep an eye out for that. Hopefully you're going to enjoy. It's a pattern giveaway where you get to choose the pattern from the designer. So I think that's something that people always like because it gives them choices. So come on back for that. No, really, do. So yeah, we're in our new studio. So we're in our new house, our new apartment. It's a 3-level apartment, kind of 2.5 levels. So in Spain, that's called an ático, the attic, the top level. And I have the most amazing view from my sewing room. So this little space here, I'm gonna give you a tour in a sec, but let me give you the overview. So the little space I'm in now would have originally have been an attic balcony. So it would not have been enclosed. And the building is from 2000, but they're using, the bones of the original building. So even though, it's a newer build, the original structure was much, much older, probably a couple hundred years old. So we're on a nice quiet street, which is great. And I keep looking that way because there's a gate, a big wrought iron gate that I'll show you later. That's beautiful. And that's our bedroom on the other side. So our bedroom is on the top floor. And then you come out here, what would have been the balcony for the bedroom, and now it's an enclosed space. So I have windows on 3 sides. So you know how in my last place I was just dying for light and air, and I have nothing but light and air. It's awesome. It's a little hot right now, but I have one of these little mini fans, and I won't put it on for too long, even though it feels really good. Because the noise is gonna bug you guys. But I got one of these little ones, and I put it on top of my machine, and it literally blows right at my forehead. So it's perfect. So I got that. Okay, let me just give you a tour. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a little walk around tour, and I have all the windows open so that you guys can see how beautiful. Hopefully it's not too loud, but it's certainly realistic. Okay, so if we go back a bit, we've got a couple different zones, and clearly this is as I said, it's a work in progress, but good to see the before, right? So I've got my sewing magazines. I have a pile of Guthrie and Ghani fabrics that I got that you guys will be seeing very soon. And then over here, my new iron and projects that are in process. And then out there you can see there's a beautiful historical building that I get a really nice view of. It's so pretty. So on this side, I have a mountain view. Super pretty. And then as I pan across, here I have a sea view. And that's pretty amazing, and it really does change depending on the day. Today it's sort of a lighter contrast between the sea and the sky, but on a sunny day, it's pretty amazing. And these neighbors here don't so far tend to be on this level. They tend to be down 1 level, so it's pretty private. Okay, so the desk is an IKEA desk that the girls were using, and now one of them is using something else. So I took that, and then that rack in the middle was actually in our bathroom in the last place. And this table was just an extra table that I initially used as a sewing table, and it shook so badly that I couldn't use it anymore. So I'm using this obviously as my cutting station right now. We'll see what happens. Fabric storage underneath. And then on my desk, I have my Elna. I have a fan because even though it's lovely up here, it's actually quite hot, especially in the morning. Right now I'm shooting in the afternoon, so it's much cooler and breezier. And look, I have a plant. You guys, I've never kept a plant alive in my life. So I'm calling her Eve, like the first woman. All the other ones that passed, I'm gonna count those as men. Eve, first woman, wish her luck. I've been told she's a snake plant, and I've been told to ignore her as much as possible, which I think I can do. So yeah, these shelves and this I think are gonna go, and it's gonna become a chest of drawers, like hopefully a long, low chest of drawers, because this is so open, this space, I'm not really comfortable storing things open shelved. I feel like they're gonna get dusty, maybe sun damaged. So I wanna move the magazines and all of this, and I want to have a long, low chest of drawers. This chair might change as well. I'd kind of like something more comfortable with an ottoman, but we'll see. And then the last thing is this thing here is storage. So in case it's not clear, this entire space was an outdoor attic that was enclosed. So this is actually, you can see, like there's the roof. Where's my finger? There's the roof. And then this is just interior roof. So this was all outside at one point. So this was probably storage for plants, things, and you know, I don't know, whatever you keep outside. But now it's just regular storage. So you can see here, I've basically got boxes that I haven't unpacked yet, or that I have unpacked yet. I have unpacked, pardon me. And I also have out of season fabric and yarn. I'm gonna put the yarn in plastic. The out of season fabric is in plastic. Now the only bugaboo in this space is that this is the only plug. And there is my machine. So I have to run a cord all the way around. Not great. And then there's also this gate, which is pretty cool, this wrought iron gate. And that's for security. Again, it would have been here. This building is from 2000, so it would have been here probably since the beginning. And so I lock that at night. And then here is where I'm gonna put my ironing board. Since I don't need it all the time, I can have this partially open and still have the ironing board. So I'm gonna put the ironing board there. I also wanna figure out a place where I can take daily pictures. Let me turn you around now. I also want to figure out a place to take daily pictures, because I feel like I'll post more if I can just walk in, take a snap, and leave, you know? And in the other place that was so hard because the lighting was so bad, but then this lighting is much, much better. So ideally, it would be right there, right? So I've just got to figure out like the right space and the right place to put my tripod so that I can maybe start doing like weekly outfit videos where every day you can see what I'm wearing, and more stuff for Instagram as well. Oh, look at this too. I didn't show you this. Lily made this for me. That's a photo I took of the girls when they were little, and she made all these flowers, and this was for Mother's Day. So I put it up here. So that's the tour. What do you think? It's really very much a work in progress. A lot of the stuff that's here right now is you know, things from other parts of our last apartment that I've just sort of jumbled together in here. It's not my ideal setup, but it's a really great start, and just the space itself is so inspiring, and I've already really enjoyed just being able to have my stuff set up and not have to take it down every night, or worse, live with it out in front with everybody and messy and stuff like that. And you know, I think that Eve is gonna like it here. I think she will. Don't you? You've got a nice little pot. It might be a little bit too big for you, but you'll grow into it. You'll grow into it. Wish her luck. Okay, so why don't I show you this pile of fabric now? I was gonna wait for another video, but I think now's the time. So this one actually that was on top is not from Guthrie and Ghani. This is acacia fabric from last year that I'm gonna do a little dress for Lily with elastic. But this is a pile from the remnant sale of Guthrie and Ghani. Now, I'm gonna full on admit that this was retail therapy. This was stress shopping. This was the email arrived during our move, and I was like, forget it, I'm worth it. I deserve it. There's a hair color commercial in there somewhere. And I went through and I got 10 fabrics. So I had never ordered from Guthrie and Ghani before. I have almost ordered from them on occasion. The reason why I didn't is because of shipping and duty, and I got hit with both shipping and duty. But what are you gonna do? I just decided that I was gonna have some fun and buy some fabric and not judge myself for it. So hopefully you won't judge me either. Okay, so I wasn't going to read them all off, but now I had to stop for a minute, so I thought, okay, may as well get it all up here. So I will look to the side and be able to tell you all about these. Okay, so This is a Liberty Tentalon. And I got this because I've never worked with Liberty lawn before, and I thought it would be just nice to try it out. So this is a 50 centimeter piece, and it was 7 pounds. Actually, no, it was 5 pounds because it was 6 pounds. And then duty came on top of that. So I just wanted to give it a try. Clearly it's not a large piece of fabric. I can either do a cami tank or a shell, or what I could also do is do one of those where you have the woven tee in the front and then the cotton jersey in the back. Do you know what I mean? I've seen those. So I don't think I could get a skirt out of it, and it's very light. So I don't know. Anyway, if you have any ideas, any of these, if you have ideas or thoughts, I would love to hear them. Next is a Floral viscose, and this was €5 as well. Sorry, 5 pounds. Get used to saying that. 5 pounds as well. And this is a viscose, and it's 75 centimeters, so 3/4 of a meter. And I just thought this was just lovely and flowy and pretty. I think, I don't know, even I can't get a dress out of this. Even I don't think I can anyway. So either a flowy top, or maybe I might be able to get a pair of like viscose flowy shorts, because I do have an awful lot of tops. So maybe a little pair of flowy shorts. And because of the color scheme is a little bit brash for me, maybe shorts would be nice, because then I could just wear it with like a white tank top, and there's so many colors in this. Like it's got black, it's got blue, it's got red, pink, orange. I mean, there's so many tops that I could wear with this. So actually, I think maybe a nice pair of flowy shorts are in order. Next is an Atelier brunette crepe in the color Amarante. And this is, let's see, this is 65 centimeters, and it was 5 pounds-ish. I'm doing a little bit of math because they took the VAT off, so I'm trying to subtract the normal plus the subtraction of the VAT, and then of course the duty went back on top. So anyway, it'll just give you an idea. As you know, I'm trying to do more of the jewel tones, so what do we think? I think it's a good color for me. And no idea what I'll do with this. Again, some sort of flowy tank. I actually had thought maybe shorts for this, but the problem is it's so prone to crushing, and something you sit in all the time. I think with this, it's less crushy from what I can tell. And also because of all the colors, you wouldn't notice the wrinkles, whereas I think with this, you really would. So I think this is gonna be some sort of very luxe flowy top. This is called Dark Orchid. It's a modal jersey, also 1/2 meter. And this was 2 pounds 80. I can easily get a little tank top out of this. Maybe even one of these. Oh, I didn't tell you about this. Okay, so I'm gonna have a video coming up with the things that I haven't shown you guys yet, because I fell off my schedule when we were moving. And so I do have a fair number of things that I've made that I haven't had a chance to show you. So this is the green style cami tank. I've already made 2, I think, and I have another one cut. And this is Katya fabric that I made a Basic Instinct tee from last year, and I just love this fabric so much. I'm so happy that I had the ability to get another one out of it. And I actually, if you can see here, I put lining, bathing suit lining for the built-in bra. So there's a built-in bra, shelf bra in here. And then I also did the, I don't know if you can see, I did the cross back. And the cross back on this one. So really, really comfortable. I wear it quite a lot, so I'll tell you more about that. But this is something else that I could do a cami tank out of, and maybe play with having it come a little flowier at the bottom, you know? In Spain right now, it's really hot, although if I look outside right now, if I get to the end of this and it hasn't rained, I'll show you the view, but it's a little bit stormy, which we could use because it's been hot. I don't mind a little break in the humidity. But again, I just thought beautiful color, and modal jersey is, you know, it's one of those just luxurious, very luxurious drapey, and perfect for super hot weather. This one is a tencel modal jersey. This is in the color fur green. We know that I'm on a green kick lately, and you know, this for me feels like an olive. The nice thing is it seems in this new space with the light that things are actually showing up the color that they are. which is great. Now remember, I used to hold it back here, but this is pretty good. It's pretty good. So again, another 1/2 meter. So I think, well, I don't know. I think I would probably end up making a top out of this just because it feels so nice against the skin. But I was saying I might do a little skirt, but no, I don't think I would. I think I'd probably still do a little top. Okay, what else do we have? This one was interesting. This is the triple narrow stripe on marl gray loop back jersey. 3/4 of a meter. And you can see here, you can see the loop back. So this is like a very light sweatshirting, I would say. It's French, it's got that French terry feel to it. Like a light summer sweatshirt. Yeah, so this was just over 5 pounds for 3/4 of a meter. And I would love to maybe do something where I could play on the stripes, maybe have some sort of, you know, coming out from the middle. I still have a couple sweatshirt patterns like the Tabor V-neck printed out. Right now, I don't need anything this warm. The other possibility is I could do shorts. I could do sleep shorts, which I am using right now. Usually I don't sleep in shorts. Usually I always sleep in long jogging pants. But for some reason, lately, shorts. So I also could do shorts, but I kind of feel bad if I didn't get something that I could wear out of the house in this. So, but anyway, isn't that nice? The patterns, I thought the pattern was really, really nice. Okay, what have we got left? 4 left. Whew. Hope you got your tea. Having a little sip while we're talking here. Okay, this one is viscose linen, just less than a meter, 95 centimeters. And it is just under 7 pounds. Oh my goodness, just under 7 pounds. I think it was Rachel who made a white linen blouse. I think it was Rachel from Stitched Up. And I was like, yeah, like I just need a beautiful plain white linen blouse. So I have a thrifted one that has some, it's a wrap one and it has some stitching on it and it's short sleeve, but I want something a little more basic and something I can wear more often. I'm a little terrified of white. I just feel like it's gonna get stained in 2 seconds no matter what I do. But maybe if I do something a little bit oversized, then it will sort of stay away from the body a little bit more. And I don't know why that would make a difference to staining. More because like when I get yellow stains from deodorant, I hate that on my white clothes. So I'm hoping to maybe make something a little bit oversized white shirt, let's say. Now it is only a meter, but you know, I can do it. All right, my battery's gonna die, so I'm gonna see if I can hurry up and get this done and then get it up for you guys tonight. Okay, so this is Ecru wide pinstripe on Ecru linen viscose. You can see here, it's just got that really nice light look. And this is a meter, and this I will get a dress out of. This will be just a nice flowy light summer dress, something to throw on. I have a lot of dresses that I can't just throw on because they feel too fancy. It's a train. I actually don't hear it very often, but the train station's just that way. Okay, so that's that. Then this is the denim blue printed love heart wash cotton. This was just 4 pounds, and I got it to do something for Lily because she likes hearts and she likes blue. So that's for Lils. And then the very last one is dotted stripe on sky cotton jersey. And this is just about a meter, 90 centimeters. This I will make sleep shorts out of. It's just got this tiny little dot. The reverse side has like the lines, bit of a stretch, and yeah, so it's really, really great. Okay, that is all for me today, you guys. I'm gonna let you go. I will be back very, very soon to show you what I'm working on. I hope that you enjoyed my studio. If you have any thoughts or things that you think that I could work on, things that you think that would make the space more special, I would love to hear it. And if not, I will see you soon. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.